everyone, welcome to Acing Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the last 20 days preparation strategy for RRB JE CBT-II examination in general for all the engineering domains. And also, I'll be announcing one thing, that there's a special announcement corresponding to the revision series which we'll be conducting on our YouTube channel. Starting from 7th of April, you would see from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Civil engineering revision series will be conducting, and from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. we'll be conducting a revision series for electrical engineering subjects, right, from 7th of April. Now, it's a wonderful opportunity for all the students who are preparing for RRB JE CBT-II. You can keep these videos which we'll be discussing, kind of questions which are asked in RRB JE examination, subject-wise videos you will be seeing. You can keep it as a benchmark for your preparation journey as well. And correspondingly, you can design your revision schedule also, and kind of questions you are practicing as well. Some couple of points regarding the benchmarks which you need to keep for the preparation journey, I'll also share in this video also, right? So apart from that, what is the schedule of our revision series? As you can see, daily schedule is 7th of April. We'll be starting the videos from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. 7th, Engineering Mechanics. 8th, Geotech. 9th, Structures. 10th, RCC and PSC. 11th, Environmental Engineering. 12th, Steel Structures. I'll be taking this one. Apart from that, 13th, Transportation. 14th, Surveying. 15th, Hydrology and Irrigation. 16th, Fluid Mechanics. 17th, Strength of Materials. Right, so from 7th to 17th, within 10 days, we'll try to cover up as many concepts and questions as possible which are relating to RRB JE examination. So what you can do is you can understand the kind of questions which are asked. And for electrical engineering, the schedule is from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. from 7th of April. Power systems for first 2 days, 7th and 8th. 9th and 10th, machines you will be learning. 11th, networks. Apart from that, on 12th, EMF. 13th, basic electronics engineering, and 14th also, and 15th, measurements. So in this way, within 8 days, you'll be able to cover up entire scenario for electrical engineering as well. Now, obviously, not all the concepts cannot be discussed, right? We'll be covering most of the concepts which are similar to RRB JE CBT-II examination, and you can keep them as a benchmark for your preparation as well. Now, apart from that, what should be the basic RRB JE CBT-II strategy for the last 20 days? Many students have been watching our videos, since last year, and I have also made, and our faculties also have made couple of videos regarding how to prepare for RRB JE examination in general. We have discussed the syllabus aspects as well, where to approach, from where to solve as many questions as possible also. So I'll be summarizing all those aspects regarding the preparation strategy in this video. In this section, actually, I'll be discussing all the aspects, the key points which you need to keep in mind. This is kind of a reminder for you all that your preparation strategy should be smooth as possible, so that you do not forget the crucial points to take care of in the preparation. So what is the pattern? Most of the students who have cleared RRB JE must be familiar with the pattern. Apart from that, see, general awareness, physics and chemistry, it is repetition of RRB JE CBT-I. Whatever preparation you have been considering for these two aspects, obviously, you know where to cover it. There are a lot of books which are available in the market, and also there are a lot of study material as well, which ACE also provides you in this aspect. That is also available for you. Apart from that, there are journal books like Lucent is one of the best books from which you can go for general awareness, general knowledge topics, which is very famous book actually for all the central level and state level exams. And basic general science also can be covered from that. Otherwise, there are books from Arihant publications as well that you can cover. There are so many questions in that book regarding general science and general knowledge questions. Basics of computer application is a kind of subject that students tend to focus too much on this part. The questions, when you'll see the previous year questions, if let's say in one examination, 10 questions are there, right? So apart from within those 10 questions, you will be able to solve at least 50% of the questions easily without even considering that you don't have any knowledge of computer engineering, right? Now, basic computer knowledge, which all the students actually know up until class 12th or in general class 10th also. Right? All the students are, taught about that basically. And apart from that, basic environment and pollution control aspect. So there is a lot of videos also which are available on the Ace Learning Academy platform and study material which is provided by us, right? Apart from that, you can see that for civil engineering students, this is not much of an issue because civil engineering students have a subject of environmental engineering, and that pollution control aspect, that is air pollution and sound pollution, it is in our syllabus. So we'll be, obviously covering that. So it is not much of an issue for you. If it is an issue for the students of other engineering branches, what you can do is you can just simply, download a PDF of S.K. Garg book, that is very famous book for environmental engineering. There are 2 chapters, air pollution and sound pollution. You can cover it over there, right? So you can just have a look over it once. And basics, if you'll see the questions right now without even having studied anything, you will be able to solve some of the questions for sure. Other than that, technical abilities, 100 questions will be there. And this is one of the most important aspects because 67% of the marks will be dependent upon your technical abilities only. That is your 100 marks out of total 150. Now, the biggest problem, biggest issue among the students is that they keep on revising questions of technical abilities only, right? Technical ability questions, they keep on doing it and they thoroughly, ignore this aspect of basic computer application or basic environmental engineering or general science questions. They would tend to ignore it. But see, this is the most scoring aspect, actually. If you have a good preparation in this section, this will be your rank decider. That means this will be a selection decider also. Consider SSC JEE examination as well. In that also, the general awareness and the GK aspect actually, and also your quantitative aptitude questions, they actually decide, those sections actually decide your rank or selection. Most of the students I have seen have been very sound with the technical ability aspects, right? So apart from that, you need to focus on these aspects also alongside your technical ability topics. So technical ability topics we will be covering in our revision series. So parallelly try to cover up your non-technical portion also. Try to dedicate as much time as possible in your technical abilities throughout the day. And for non-technical aspects, try to find out some crunch time during your preparation, either early in the morning or late at night or within the meals actually. When you're eating your meals, what you can do is you can just click on the photo, you can click photos of your notes and you can just revise it. You just have to read these topics, right? There's nothing conceptual knowledge which is required. Apart from that, let me just state the key highlights what you need to keep in mind. So revising and updating your short notes is very, very important while you are doing your preparation. Many students do not tend to update their short notes if something new comes up, right? Let's say you have encountered a new question in a test series or somewhere else. You should update that in your short notes so that it is a reminder for you to revise it afterwards also. So continuously revising your notes and updating your short notes also, that is important. Now, short notes are not crucial. In general, it is not important that everyone should make it. You should make short notes based upon your requirement. Many students tend to write only those concepts which they can forget. Many students tend to write chapter-wise short notes. Many students, just focus on questions in the short notes or the kind of mistakes which they have done in their test series or something like that. They'll be writing that in their short notes. So it's up to you how you want to make your short notes, right? So there is no rocket science behind that and there is no fixed rule for short notes. And solving as many questions as possible, revising notes as much as possible, keep in touch with the ACE revision series. If not live, watch the video afterwards. Do watch it. It will be helpful for you all. Apart from that, question banks, various question banks. There is a very beautiful question bank, which is youth publication is available. So AE questions, you can do it from there. Don't focus too much on AE questions, sorry. focus only on JEE questions. Many students go for engineering services questions also. I would not say that you should prepare through engineering services questions. It is not required. Apart from that, test series. Yeah, test series is one of the best ways to analyze yourself and do rectify your mistakes in test series and figure out what kind of problems you are facing. It can be speed, it can be accuracy. With every new test, try to rectify your previous mistakes, right? Try to rectify. These mistakes can be conceptual mistakes. These mistakes can be, silly mistakes. If you miss out something in question, try to read it. Increase your speed also. Try to leave some 15-20 minutes at the end, at least, at the end of the examination, so that you are able to revise all the questions during the exam. That you can practice through test series only. I'll go over here once again. You can see that 120 minutes is your entire time period. Try to solve this aspect in, let's say, 30-35 minutes maximum. Apart from that, focus on technical abilities. This should be completed within 30-35 minutes or 40 minutes maximum. Because most of the questions that you will see or read it, you will understand if you know the answer or not, right? Apart from that, awareness of your silly mistakes. As I told you, you'll learn much about your time management. Time management is very crucial, right? Test series is the best way to learn about time management. Ignoring complicated questions and concepts, obviously, especially of questions which have been asked in GATE or engineering services, ignore that, right? Specifying time daily for general sections separately. That's what I said, early in the morning or late at night. Time to dedicate time while traveling. If let's say you are traveling somewhere, you are revising it, your short notes or something like that of general sections, right? You don't have to sit down and deliberately read about it every time. Yeah, that is important, but you can find out chunks of time, 15-20 minutes of time in between what you have been doing, and just revise it, right? It will take hardly any time. And apart from that, as you all know, that Acing Academy has been at the forefront at helping students in providing test series. Test series at Acing Academy had a phenomenal run for GATE and engineering services, and also for SSC JEE and for RRB JEE. Now we are providing CBT-II test series as well. It has been going on for last couple of months as well. You can do what all the tests for the test series will be available until the RRB JE CBT-II examination for your cross-checking and bookmarking of questions and everything, and for your revising as well. There will be total number of 20 tests. Subject-wise tests will be 16 and full-length mock tests will be 4. It is a wonderful opportunity for you to clarify your mistakes and find out your points which you are lacking behind. Now, apart from that, if you're a student who wants to revise your concepts also and you don't have sufficient amount of notes, what you can do is you can go for RRB JE pre-recorded course with us at 30% discount for 1 month. You can also enroll in this. So at every point of the way, we are trying to help the students. If you want to join us at free GATE revision series, which will be at Acing Academy's YouTube channel, watch that and try to understand where you are lagging behind. Apart from that, there is test series as well, and also you can go for 1 month pre-recorded course as well. So thank you for watching, and do share this video with your friends, and also do subscribe to our channel. And what you can do is, if there is any doubt regarding the GATE revision series, when the live sessions will be going on, just comment below and the faculties will be responding you personally. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you soon once again. Bye everyone.